Straight up.
What the shit?
Can't
Like-
jump.
Yeah, you're not supposed to.
Oh
no.
my.
To the front office, please. To the front office. Thank you.
No.
Wait, let's separate. So it's
Hell
fine.
no.
No.
You can separate.
You can separate. You can leave.
Okay, wait.
also. He left.
Okay, he gone.
I'll go.
Okay.
I'll try to find him.
I
Man,
you and me.
I mean,
Wait, there's
yeah,
lights over here.
Zuma.
There's lights over here. There's light over here.
Like, guys, lights. Guys, I see like. Okay, wait.
Wait,
Zoom,
come
do
here.
not leave
Wait,
me.
what is that?
Do
What is
not
that?
leave me.
What is that? Okay, bye.
Oh my God.
Let's follow them for now. Follow them.
Yeah, let's just
Do
let's just
do not look for the wrong person.
Stick
Look
together,
for your
let's stick
designated
together.
partner.
Yeah.
But try to stick together.
Oh,
Okay.
Again.
Oh,
left.
Yes, not
Yo,
the
yo.
way, little.
You're looking for a glowing blue light.
Okay.
That's the way down. Wait, there's light.
Ooh,
light,
I see light. I see light.
Light.
Alright, let's go to light.
If when Charlie Kirk chases me, I'm dead.
this does
Charlie
not
Kirk?
look like my. Okay.
Can I get
That's so
to
loud.
the
No,
front
you
office,
can't,
please?
little bro. No, you
Where's
can't.
the front office, bhai?
The front office.
We're running in
No.
circle. Wait, there's what?
Okay.
Left.
The arrow
Wait.
pointing here and this
Okay,
arrow
I don't think the
pointing
arrows
Wait,
mean anything.
so I think it's going this way, and then we have to go this way. Come here. Come this way.
here. You bullshit us. Wait.
Oh,
Hi. Where did he go?
He's right here.
Where's Vex?
Vexel, hi. How is that from? It's in reverse now.
Oh, I don't know.
Follow me.
so you might be wondering what just
Exactly.
happened. That was a skinwalker. A skinwalker completely takes over your body,
Like
leaving you unable to walk,
anything.
move, text, or anything like that. It mimics your old voice chat voice to make the others think that it's actually still you, while it's just the skinwalker pretending to be you.
Spoken
Okay,
yet?
I know for a
Hi.
fact Vexalt is bugging. He's just trolling. I genuinely know that
Me
he's
look.
trolling.
What if a skinwalker took
You
over
are
him?
not tough.
What
I
if
don't
a
think
skin
that
on
happens in
this?
this
Oh
level,
my days.
Loki.
Thank you.
It
I don't think that
could.
happens in this
It
level.
could.
Don't know.
It could.
Man,
need
stop
to know.
bugging. You
Say
are
something.
not tough.
Say
Vexalt.
something. Say something.
My days.
I think something happened to him.
Bro, not tough.
I think
Ah,
something happened to him.
Just move, gang. Just move.
Surely something did happen to him. He's
Nothing
walking
happened to
actually
him,
like an
little bro.
NPC. That's
Help.
actually kind of scary.
Gang!
I think a skinwalker took over him.
Please.
He might have a skinwalker.
Now,
I don't
Flume's
think he
acting weird.
knows
You
enough.
are not tough, little bro. Just
Put on this cause flippin' we're playing a horror mob and I have a cute ass cape.
No, just follow me, okay?
Gang.
Surely.
No,
I don't
I
know.
think he's
Hi.
actually skinwalkered.
Why are they not finding out?
I can
Me
see him
look.
smiling. Why the luck?
I was
I'm
in the
90%
essential-
sure he's skinwalkered, by the way. Straight up.
What the shit?
Okay, Flume is actually okay. I don't like that.
What is that? What is that? Oh my days! 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 What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? What was that? Hello? Hello?
Ah!
Can you guys hear me? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I was
can hear you,
skinwalkered.
John.
What is going on?
Oh my
Okay,
days!
now Zaha,
Hello?
now,
What
now,
the shit just
now
happened?
Z is gone.
What is happening?
Yo.
Okay, I
Nah.
yo.
Where's Z?
Yo.
We genuinely just saw your neck crack and.
I was
Okay, where
there.
is he?
I was looking. Where is he?
Oh, wait.
Okay,
Okay,
I
okay,
survived.
he's right here.
Oh
He's
my
right here.
days.
How
Okay.
did you survive?
Oh my days. Not me.
What
I'm
the?
not.
What?
He's in the server?
What?
Wait, Echo isn't
Wait, no,
here.
he's not on the server.
What?
Nah, he does not use punctuation.
Wait,
Nah,
wait,
that's
wait,
something
wait,
else.
wait, wait.
Wait, no, he's not.
Are you talking?
Oh,
Can I get
oh.
Wait, Amar, did you type that?
I did not
What
type
then?
that.
I don't like that. I don't
Will
like
you
that.
be my friend?
Yes, yes, yes,
No,
yes.
no, I won't.
Okay, we need to go to the front office. Come on. What is that? I don't like that. I don't like it.
Hell no, I'm
I
not
don't
doing
like
this.
this.
I don't like
This
it. I don't like
why
it.
this is dead end?
Hold on.
Why this is
Give
dead
me
end?
Airy.
Please. Wait,
to the front office? Thank you.
to the front office. Come on. Wait, run, light.
No.
Come into the light. Come into the light. Come into
You
the
think
light.
this- I was just trying to play with
Okay,
you guys.
I don't
Let's
like
just-
that.
okay.
I
I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like
Get
this.
me out.
I
Get
don't
me
like
out.
this.
Please.
Heard.
Why did voice cut out?
I don't know.
Why is he?
walking?
Why is there blood on my screen?
Come here,
I'm
come
not
here,
going.
come here, come here, come here.
You let
Come
let-
where?
Let True go.
Wait for us.
Wait. I don't like this, guys. Wait.
We're here.
Wait.
Don't worry. They're over there.
Come here,
They're over
come
there.
here. Get them.
Coming. We're coming.
Wait,
We're
wait
coming.
for
Oh
okay.
no!
Oh, what?
This is
This is the
come here,
scary
come
part.
lag.
No, I don't
Wait,
like
why-
this part.
here. Come down.
Oh,
Come down.
It's gonna lock us
The
in.
lag.
Okay,
They
yeah,
don't
we're
need
locked
PS.
in now.
Okay.
What just happened? What just happened?
Wait, can we go back up?
What is going on? What is
You
going
can
on?
go back up.
I don't
Come
know.
down. No, come down.
Okay. Well, you're looking for a small staircase. If you find some one, okay, gather everyone.
Wait, Sloom, you stick with me.
Oh, I don't like this.
Bro, why did you actually scream?
Who is screaming?
Wait.
Children laughter.
That is not a child.
Well, that's actually creepy.
I don't like that.
Yeah.
I genuinely don't
Hey.
like that.
Oh, I don't like it.
Oh no, I don't like that. I do not like that. I don't
what
like
do you
that. It was a creepy
Don't
smiley
go there.
face.
Don't go there.
Oh, wait.
Okay, I think you go there now. I
that?
think it's gone. I think it's gone. Yeah, it's gone.
Wait, don't leave me behind.
Yeah, just do not go here. Okay, you will. It starts looping. Okay, do not go here.
Yeah.
We need to stick by the sides of this place. Okay, stick by the sides.
So let's just stay here.
I'm just.
Wait,
get
guys,
trapped.
I think we can access these plates. Wait, come back.
Huh?
Yeah, back room.
Oh, wait.
Benny.
No, eat us.
Give me this.
You give me one.
Eat us.
Mushrooms.
I think the texture is a little pushed out.
It's
What
giving me
did
nausea.
that
It's giving me nausea.
It gave me
Can't be that.
nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it gave me
give me
nothing. I think that was just you.
Yeah, it just gave me nausea.
Okay.
Wait, are we in a loop? Wait, are we in a loop?
Guys,
No, we're not.
Wait.
Guys, please wait.
Wait for Hammer. Wait for Hammer. Hide.
Run away.
Guys, please.
I'm right behind you. Don't worry.
I don't think they can hear us now.
I can hear you.
We can.
We can hear you.
We run away.
It's already too scary. You all don't need to
No,
make it
no.
scarier.
I do not like.
Oh. Are we just going around in circles?
Yes,
I don't-
we are, bro. Yes,
Okay,
we
then
are.
let's just go in one direction.
Let's just keep going straight. How about that?
We probably will get trapped, but it's
Yeah,
fine.
but like
how
it's
about
fine.
It,
behind
This
us
is
is
not
turned to
the-
black now. We just need to find some place, like some kind of wall or
Wait, should we
wall.
go to the back now to see if it lights up, or is it just gonna be straight black?
No, I think we should keep going here. I think we keep going.
wait. Where is he? We doing this shit in the back room now?
Oh, I see. There's a wall here.
Oh, okay.
We're not trapped.
It might be the wall we came from.
Guys,
Yeah.
why is Sloom not moving?
Yeah, he's fine.
Might be on POV. He might be on POV.
Yeah, he's just here.
Yeah, we back, we back.
Okay.
Oh wait, look! There's a wall! There's a wall!
Yeah,
Look!
Where the hell is True?
He's up ahead.
He's up ahead.
You hear me?
You hear me?
Oh.
Who is that?
So we just look around. Oh, I found it.
Oh, let's go.
I-
Staircase. Come down.
Oh, this is the trippy staircase. Oh, okay, damn. Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Okay.
Hello,
we need
hello.
to, yeah, hello. Yeah. We need to do the direction and go.
Let's just go this way.
Height? Why is it curving? I have no idea. Hey, pull up.
Why is
Flashlight, guys,
why is he
flashlight.
just going? How far do we have to go? This will be going on
I
for
don't
ages.
know that.
I don't know, bhai.
This is where my knowledge
Actually, I
stops.
should not be the first.
Ah!
No, don't do that.
Oh, why is it turning? Why I don't like this.
no.
I don't like this.
We no clip.
I just fell through the ground. Wow, I'm falling into what?
Salar, you seen Doctor?
Oh, this is like.
This is the pool rooms.
Yeah, this is the pool room. Yeah, I know this place.
Wait, look up. Is that the sun?
That looks cool.
That's trippy. Apparently, some of the water is boiling and like it hurts you if you touch it. So like, be a little wary of the water.
We should just stay on the sides.
Yeah.
Wait, let's go there. Let's go there.
Yeah,
You can
Yo,
mark people.
at the crossroads, never turn right. So we're going
We
right.
turn left.
You mean never turn left?
Now we're going right.
Yo, we're splitting up. Come here.
Yo. What is going on? Yo, my torch doesn't work. And
Yeah,
got wet.
your flash, it
Your
no
Z gone.
longer works. We just can't use it anymore.
Your Z's gone. Z was Z.
No, he's over there. He's gone. He's
yeah,
gone.
relax. I told you he's gone. Okay, where are you?
I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I would never be scared. I'm not scared. What's even scared? What?
We're actually lost. Oh hell no.
Where is he, bro?
Ah, Z.
I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I would never be scared. I'm not scared. What's even?
Z.
I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I would never be scared.
Wait, see, I'm here. Wait, look at the flag. It's just white there. Should we go there?
I'm just following you guys, bro.
This is probably the most boring stage of the video, and I won't show all of it to you because we were really just roaming around the pool rooms for a long time. Hey Z, let's go. What's up Z? What's up Z?
My
Yo, are you still on?
Yeah.
Are you still Z?
Yes, I am. Maybe.
I don't like that.
Maybe.
No, you Wait, we're on a. Okay, no. What?
Okay.
What? Why? Okay.
Oh, the water is boiling.
Oh, the water is boiling now. Okay.
Oh, at least we got like.
Z, please take a chill pill. Take a chill pill.
Calm down.
Just you can't escape.
What? What the hell?
Can you confirm if you're a skinwalker?
Yo.
How? Like,
Yo, he's moving weird.
nah, he's just-
He's moving weird.
he's just playing.
No,
He's
he's
just
actually
playing.
moving weird though.
Yeah, this
He's
place
playing.
looks suspicious, right?
Yeah, this place look.
It might be some place ahead.
So it turns out that it was not someplace ahead, and it took us a long time to find it. So with a little bit of movie magic, here you go. We are on the next stage of the backrooms. I'm gone.
We are okay.
Wait.
Okay.
Where are we? Wait, we did. What?
Oh, hell no.
Oh
My
hell no.
my frames are
my
gone.
days.
Oh hell no.
My
This,
frames are goated right now.
this
My frames
looks
are also
Okay,
goated.
from what
same.
I know, people get turned into skinwalkers here. I've seen this on shorts.
okay. Wait, what's that, chat? Look up.
Tree?
Look up. No, look up. That. Those particles.
What particle?
But maybe they make something if you look at it from a right angle or something.
Man, shut your
Maybe.
stupid ass.
I could see
No,
that.
that's actually might be an idea. Hold on. Like siren head or something gonna kill us?
That's what
Why are there bells ringing?
Bells? We hear like a siren.
I
Come
hear
here, come here,
bells.
Yo, we can split up here, Loki.
And how would we find each other?
Yo,
Yeah, there's no like.
We could ping each other.
you go towards the 66.
Alright, I'm going.
Okay, guys, this is scary.
Alright, goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, people.
Okay, this is so scary. I think I found it. Look at this. Look at this massive tower.
You did find something.
I found a massive tower.
Yo, it has like a.
It has an entrance. No, it doesn't.
Okay. You lied to me.
Hello.
I.
Hello.
We found this.
Zakaria.
Wait, it opened.
Wait, how did
Oh, it
Wait, it's
Wait,
whistling.
is this the police?
I hear
Wait, come
something.
in here.
I hear.
I hear,
Z, come in
I
here.
hear sirens.
I hear something.
Yeah.
I hear sirens.
Can-
Surely
Either.
nothing bad will happen.
Ah, stop.
Oh,
Please
sorry,
stop.
sorry, bro.
What
I'm
is
done
this?
at the fence.
We splitting up.
that way. Go
Alright, I'm
that
going that way. We're all split up again. This is low-key scary. Like, what is that? Let me go there. Yo! Wait, what is there's also this thing here?
Good, man. You have found like 3 of these.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. But come in here. Look.
Wait, it's stairs, wait.
Wait, what? Yo, my guy. Do we hear that?
Yeah, we hear that.
Oh,
He's
hi,
here,
yeah,
he's
come.
here. Alright, let's go up. Let's go up.
Alright, let's go. Keep going.
Dead end. Wait, no, it's not a dead end.
no.
Wait, why are we back?
Wait,
Oh,
what?
We're back. We won.
Wait, did we escape?
That's the
Did we
ending.
win?
That's the ending.
Oh, let's go!
We won.
Elite.
Let's go!
Okay,
W's!
sure.
Elite.
Yo, let's go, GG's!